My name is Janice and I'm one of the artists that participated in the Connect to Kindness art project. Fy ysbrydoliaeth tu ôl y gwaith yw y ffordd gwneud bobl yn y cymuned dod at ei gilydd. Oedd garedig mawr a phawb yn helpu i'w gilydd. So in terms of the piece of artwork I produced, it's doodle art. It's fairly sort of a simple way of drawing, but it seems to be quite effective. It's colourful and it's bright and it's sort of designed to bring a smile to people's faces. It's sort of loosely based on the local area. I've tried to sort of reflect that in the hills behind and the moorland and the wind farm, which is sort of just above me, above the house here, further up mountain. And obviously we've got a few different castles and things around. And I've got the streets with the slate-roofed houses, which are common around here, sort of the miners' cottages, as were, and also the centre of the community, which is sort of around the village shops down in Cwmamman, or down in Glanamman, should I say, Siop y Pentre, and also the community centre and the chapels, which sort of form the centre of our communities. Within the community centre was the food bank, so that's on my piece of work, with our little logo, Community Stronger Together, which was quite important. But it's also, I've tried to say thank you as well to our key workers and NHS, because that's quite important. And the rainbow, I've put in every single piece of doodle art I've done. That's in every single piece, because that was sort of our message of hope and of coming out and sort of coming back to a sort of new normality. Hopefully a kinder and better sort of normality. I feel that being part of a project like this is quite important. It helps you feel part of the wider community, and it also helps you sort of give messages about how you feel about the community and what's good about it as well, and how that community has worked together, and how by working together it just makes us stronger communities. I think being part of something is also important because it makes us connected to others.